Hey there everybody, how's it going? Welcome to PinTrain YouTube channel. This video is an intro to the course Speed Up Your Workflow in Camtasia Studio. Camtasia is one of the best screen recording utilities for Windows and Macintosh, which gives you both screen recording and video editing abilities. This course is designed for those who already use Camtasia and want to speed up their workflow without losing quality. You'll learn how to map hotkeys inside Camtasia and which keys to use in order to get the most out of the application. In addition, we are going to use AutoHotkey in order to make some automation scripts and make our lives easier. In this course, I'll be using Camtasia 2021, but basically if you have any other version of Camtasia installed, you'll be good to go. Without further ado, let's dive right into the course and start our journey. See you later.